can't see him, but he's a lazy ass. That's how high the snow is from the sidewalk.
Yeah.
Wait, bring these cars back out here?
Yeah, where else are we gonna put my car?
We're gonna go park in my spot again.
Where's your keys? Give me the keys. You drunk the car?
Oh, look at Jack. He thinks he knows how to use a machine.
I'm gonna burn one now.
Let's burn. Here, take some video with this. Let me see.
Is it on? Huh? That's fine. Asmallah, you did the whole thing, Mr. Mark.
Yeah, it's easier if you have the thing running.
How come it doesn't say recording? Huh?
What?
ولا ليش ما بتقولش هذا؟
Don't tell me this has to go into my garage and mess it up.
What a beautiful day. White.
Open up the one
Yes.
here, Brian. We'll open more.
Yeah. First,
Open more for what?
here.
Come on, we gotta go.